Hi, welcome to the Just Hack Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers how to read a CSV file onto the terminal. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. We will use a CSV file with stock trading dates and the closing prices of penny stock. First, you will need to import Python CSV module. Looking to the syntax written on the notepad to the right of your screen, we will print each line of the CSV file. Before we can print the contents of the CSV file, three methods will need to be used. These methods are the open method, the reader method, and the next method. Finally, the print method is issued. The open method opens the CSV file. It takes two parameters. The first parameter is the file name. For the second parameter, we use the R flag, which indicates that we want to read from the file. The reader method reads the file line by line. The next method serves as a pointer and advances the reader to the next line to be read. We then embed a loop that will print each line as it is read. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.